C in 100 seconds, function pointers. 3 functions with the same signature, 2 ints in, 1 int out, add, sub, and mul. Apply takes a function pointer as its first argument. It calls whatever function you pass in. That's a callback. Declare a function pointer. The syntax reads, fp is a pointer to a function that takes 2 ints and returns an int. Point it at add. Now calling fp is the same as calling add. 10 plus 3 is 13. Reassign to sub. Same pointer, different function. 10 minus 3 is 7. Pass mul directly to apply. The function runs inside apply. Pass add next. Same apply function. Different result each time. Add 13, sub 7, mul 30, add 12. 1 pointer, 4 different behaviors. Next up, arrays of pointers.